Hey guys, Techi device here. Today I review XPro Drone. Watch the video till the end. XPro Drone is an electronic device that allows you to take amazing pictures and videos from the air. You can easily operate it with the remote controller. Even you can connect it with a dedicated app to give you the best level of user experience. You can adjust the height and speed, rotate or switch the lens by using the app. Features of XPro Drone. 4K adjustable camera. The XPro Drone comes with a 4K adjustable camera to give you the best user experience. Convenient image transmission. If you want to opt for a real-time video feed, this drone will allow you to do that. It has the capability for 5G Wi-Fi image transmission from a long distance. So, you can conveniently get the update on real-time video. Built-in video features. Another amazing fact is it has some exclusive built-in functions which will help you to flourish your overall creativity. It has some amazing filters and video effects to make your video outstanding. Easy flying. It features an intelligent follow mode that will help you to fly the drone conveniently. You can do it without any hassle. Single key operation. XPro Drone is an amazing product that can be operated with a single key. So, for taking off or making a safe landing, you need to press only one key. Excellent app interface. The app interface is quite user-friendly and full of exclusive features. You can view many important parameters from the app. For instance, you will get a clear idea about latitude and longitude. Pros of XPro Drone. It comes with a sleek and compact design so that you can easily carry it in your backpack. It features a 4K adjustable camera to give you the best possible shot from the air. The convenient image transmission feature of this drone will let you quickly get the update of real-time video. Built-in filters and video effects will help you to take your creativity to the next level. Cons of XPro Drone. You have to go through a learning curve to learn everything about operating this drone. Specifications of XPro Drone. Flying distance, about 2,000 meters, when no interference and obstruction. Battery capacity, 4V 2200 mAh lithium battery. Remote control frequency, 4 GHz. Lifetime, 5 hours. Flight time, up to 32 minutes. Charging time, about 4 hours. Camera, 4K ultra clear camera. Lens angle, 120 degree. GPS follow, 30 meters. Gesture shooting recognition, 1 to 3 meters. Now you can buy this product. Please check the description and click the product link. If you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Click the bell icon.